Hello everyone, welcome back to RareChem Official. This video is about development of periodic table. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Without delay, let's get started. Periodic table. It is defined as systematic arrangement of elements in regular intervals with repetition of the property is called periodic table. For the invention of final periodic table, so many scientists made different inventions. That means different experiments are done by for the preparation of the final periodic table. These are the elements has different properties of elements if put in different places in the periodic table that we can't remember easily. If put similar properties of elements in the group that we can easily remember. For that so many scientists are done different experiments to prepare final periodic table. Dobereiner, Newlands, Lothar Meyer, Mendeleev. Mostly these are the scientists made different experiments to prepare final periodic table. First, let's see Dobereiner's law of triads. This law states that the atomic weight of elements in the arithmetic mean of other two elements which are arranged that the elements having similar properties are placed in increasing order of atomic weight. First, let's see this triad: lithium, sodium, potassium. Atomic mass of lithium is 6.94, sodium atomic mass 22.99, potassium atomic mass 39.1. If take lithium and potassium, arithmetic mean of lithium and potassium, it gives sodium's atomic mass. See, 6 point arithmetic mean of lithium and potassium, it gives approximately 23.02 atomic mass. It is approximately equals to sodium. Like that he made different triads with similar properties of elements. Let's take other triad: calcium, strontium, barium. These arithmetic mean of calcium and barium, it gives a middle element. It is strontium's atomic mass. Phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, one triad. Chlorine, bromine, iodine, this combined one triad as one triad. Sulfur, selenium, tellurium. If combining tellurium and sulfur, it gives middle elements atomic mass. Doberner's law of triads was rejected because in some triads all the three elements possessed nearly the same atomic masses. The identification of new elements made this model obsolete. Means uh, new elements doesn't follow the Newland's law of triads. Newly discovered elements doesn't fit into the triads. Means the some elements they doesn't fit into the triads. Only total of 5 triads were identified. These are the 5 triads he made. Even several known elements didn't fit into any of the triad. Drawbacks of the Dobereiner's law of triads: he unable to form all the elements into triads. Only these 5 triads only that he prepared are made as triads. Suppose fluorine, chlorine, bromine also has similar properties. This also can made as a triad, but chlorine, bromine, iodine only he made as a triad, because if take this as a triad, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, if take atomic masses 1935.5, 1880 for bromine. If arithmetic mean of fluorine and bromine, it is giving as 50 because its chlorine's atomic mass is 35.5, but it 3 has similar properties, but arithmetic mean of chlorine and bromine it is giving 50, so it is not obey the law of triads. The modern periodic table, the accuracy in finding atomic weights is very much improved, so that law of triads was unable to remain disturbed. So this law was rejected because these are the drawbacks to reject. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.